Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the session number 13 from the playlist of assertion in reasoning. The topic is the electric flux and the Gauss law. So, based on this topic, I have framed one question for this session, which is written here on this board. So, this question consists of two statements. One is the assertion, and the other one is the reasoning. And reasoning is basically the statement which supports the assertion. So, the assertion here is 4-point charges exist in free space as shown. This is the figure which is provided along with this question. So there are 4-point charges Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4 which exist in the free space. The flux through the Gaussian surface. Now this is the Gaussian surface, this one. This is the Gaussian surface. So the flux through the Gaussian surface depends on all the charges surrounding it. So this is the assertion. And the reasoning here is, as per the Gauss law, the flux through the Gaussian surface depends on all the charges present outside the Gaussian surface. Now, as per the Gauss law, the electric flux which is passing through a Gaussian surface totally depends on the charges enclosed by the Gaussian surface. So, it doesn't depend on the charges surrounding it. So, this assertion is wrong. And the reasoning is also wrong because as per the Gauss law, the flux to the Gaussian surface depends only on the charges enclosed by the Gaussian surface. So in this case, the flux will depend on the charges Q1 and Q2 which are enclosed by this Gaussian surface. And so in this question, we have been given 4 options. So the option A is that we have to select the correct option. Now in the option A, both the assertion and the reasoning means we have to select this option A if both the assertion and the reasoning are correct, and we have to select the B option if both the assertion and the reasoning are incorrect. So this is the option which we have to select. So the correct answer in this question is the option B. So thank you very much for joining this session. Now in the next session, that is from the session number 14 onwards, I will be taking the questions from the second chapter of electrostatic potential and capacitance. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.